Can you negotiate severance if you are an at-will employee? Imagine walking into your employer's office knowing you might be leaving soon. Do you think you can ask for more than what's offered? Many wonder if being an at-will employee means they have no say in severance negotiations. The truth is, it's not that simple. At-will employment means either you or your employer can end the job at any time without giving a reason. But that doesn't mean you can't talk about severance pay or benefits when it's time to part ways. Severance is usually a package of money or benefits offered when an employee leaves. Employers often give it to make the separation smoother. They might ask you to sign a release waiving legal claims in exchange for the severance. Being at-will doesn't legally stop you from negotiating these terms. Severance agreements are contracts that can be discussed and changed before you agree to them. Employers might even be open to negotiations to avoid legal trouble, especially if there are concerns about discrimination or retaliation. If you believe your termination involved unfair reasons, like discrimination or harassment, you might have more leverage. Showing evidence that other employees received better treatment can strengthen your case. Employers also want to avoid the costs and bad publicity of legal disputes. That's why they may be willing to negotiate better severance terms if they see a potential risk. Talking to an employment lawyer can help you understand your legal position. They can suggest strategies to improve your severance deal. Negotiations usually focus on how much money you get, whether benefits continue, and clauses about confidentiality or non-disparagement. You can reject any offer if it doesn't meet your needs, but it's very important to carefully review the agreement before signing. Signing without understanding can mean giving up rights you might need later. Remember, employers are not required to give severance at all. The amount and terms depend on company policies, your seniority, and the circumstances of your departure. Without strong leverage, it might be hard to get more than what's offered. Negotiating on your own can be risky if you don't know what to say or do. So, being an at-will employee does not mean you cannot negotiate severance. Your success depends on your situation and how well you can make your case. Knowing your rights and getting legal advice can help you secure a fair package. It's always worth trying to negotiate, especially if you have valid reasons or evidence to support your case.